Welcome to the Bank of America Digital Wallet Guide, where you will learn how to use this innovative payment solution. The Bank of America Digital Wallet allows you to make payments online, in-app, and in-store using your mobile device. To get started, you need to have a Bank of America account and a compatible mobile device. Download the Bank of America mobile app from the App Store and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Digital Wallet section and select the card you want to add. You can add multiple cards to your digital wallet, including credit and debit cards. To add a card, simply enter the card details and verify the information. You will receive a verification code on your registered phone or email, which you need to enter to complete the process. After adding your card, you can use your digital wallet to make payments. To make an online payment, select the Bank of America Digital Wallet as your payment method at checkout. You will be redirected to the Bank of America website, where you can select the card you want to use and complete the payment. To make an in-app payment, open the app and select the Bank of America Digital Wallet as your payment method. You will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode. To make an in-store payment, open the Bank of America mobile app and select the card you want to use. Hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction using your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode. It is essential to keep your digital wallet secure by using a strong passcode and keeping your device and app up to date. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. In addition to making payments, the Bank of America Digital Wallet also provides features such as transaction history, account balance, and card management. You can view your transaction history, check your account balance, and manage your cards all in one place. In conclusion, the Bank of America Digital Wallet is a convenient and secure way to make payments. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your digital wallet with confidence and take advantage of its many benefits.